Welcome to Grüns vitamins, specifically their daily Super Greens gummies, have managed to grab everyone's attention by promising a world where you don't actually have to eat your vegetables. It's the perfect solution for adults who still want to pretend they're eating candy while supplementing their nutrition. These gummies are packed with over 60 different ingredients, including the usual suspects like kale and spirulina, plus some shiitake mushroom powder and pomegranate for good measure. It's basically a whole farmer's market shoved into a tiny gelatin cube, all aimed at fixing your digestion and energy levels. Because apparently, we need a lab-grade concoction just to feel like a functioning human being. As with anything sold on the internet, user experiences are a bit of a mixed bag. Some fans claim these little chewables have revolutionized their digestion and given them a massive energy boost. One person even said it cleared up their digestive drama and made them feel like they actually slept for once. Others are just happy that it tastes good and is easier to remember than a multi-step meal plan. Some users even claim it helps curb their sugar cravings, which is a masterpiece of logic, using a gummy to stop yourself from wanting sweets. But hey, if it makes your gut happy and keeps you away from the donut box, who are we to judge?